Hey everybody, I'm Matt Frank, Director of Tech Evangelism here at Blackthorn, and in today's video, we're discussing how to get the most ROI out of your hybrid events, or as I like to call it, adopting a return on events mindset. Now, the key to this is unlocking your attendee journey, capturing information and data on your attendee demographics right there at sign up, track engagement, and leverage post-event surveys to maximize your event impact. Now, use that data to your advantage. Salesforce makes it easy to run reports and create dashboards, so just do it. Use event and attendee information to gain actionable insights to increase your event ROI and decrease CPL. Now, as previously mentioned, ensure you have a solid follow-up plan in place. Understand what offerings your leads are most interested in based on this engagement data and segment them into impactful programs. This creates a best-in-category experience that leads to higher conversions. Now, when your ideal customer, or ICP, knows that you are the authority on your subject matter, they'll turn to you for guidance and thus increase conversions. Investing in how and why you consume events data is the first step in adopting a return on events mindset at your organization. Now, if you like this content or content like it, please click the links in the description right down there below this video, and don't forget to visit us at blackthorn.io. Thanks.